Hey everyone, it's Jake Hall, the Manufacturing Millennial. If you've seen some of my videos over the past few months, you probably recognize my robot dog Clark, which is pulling my daughters on a sled, raking leaves, shoveling the driveway, or even delivering beer during the Super Bowl. Now, I had a lot of great opportunities to use this as an outreach tool to get kids excited about STEM robotics, but at the same time, I as an adult want to have a lot of fun during the associations and the happy hours and the party events. So I figured, what a better way to make my robot a beer delivery device at parties. So a few months ago, Giga, who is the sponsor of this video, reached out and said, hey Jake, we want to give your robot some fun, unique parts and flavors. And I thought, what better than a company that helps you source as manufacturers custom parts that you need, from CNC to laser to water jet to 3D printing, to help me build and design this device. So to kick things off, I met with one of my friends, Chris, who helped me out with the initial design of holding this 6-pack. And then after we got the PDF, the DXF, and the SolidWorks files, I uploaded those right to Giga's website. Now, as a guy who has not touched CAD for 10 plus years, the platform was really intuitive. I was able to upload all the different files and formats. It was able to automatically read the materials that I wanted it to use and what I wanted to be manufactured out of. I could then select the different types of manufacturing processes, if I wanted water jet or laser cut or CNC'd, or what manufacturing process I thought would be best fit for that. And then Giga as a website then will connect me with the manufacturers and suppliers that I want to from a specific region. So I wanted to select all manufacturers here in the US to go out for bid. So then they had 2 or 3 other companies reach out. They all got me a bid back within, like, I think 24 hours. And then from that, I was able to see exactly who that company was that I would be working with. It wasn't one of those things where they're hiding me from the manufacturer or they don't want me to know who they're working with. They'll say the company name right there, and then I was able to find them directly on LinkedIn and see who that company was. Now, after I selected the company, we were able to have some initial discussions. They had some questions and some design changes that they recommended to make the manufacturing process a lot easier. And what was really cool about that is they were able to highlight and make comments directly on the CAD parts themselves, so I could see exactly what they were talking about and the design changes that they were recommending. After we went through and we found that initial design, we were communicating back and forth. We signed off on it, and I think the parts were delivered, the parts were completed within 24 to 36 hours. They even sent me pictures along the way to show me the different manufacturing processes and the parts that were completed. They got those all in a mailer, and I think I had all the components with me within like 48 hours of initial sign off of how quickly they were able to get through and get me these parts. So after I got the box, it was really easy to assemble, put all the components together, install it on my robot, and I was able to make a Super Bowl party a smash with my beer delivery robot. In fact, I was able to bring this to several events now, and that's my plan for the rest of this year. Bring it to shows like Automate, Pack Expo, FabTech, IMTS, and a bunch of other events as well, where now I have a beer delivery robot that's a kick that a lot of people love and can enjoy. A huge shout out to Giga, who's made this video possible with their custom manufacturing solutions and getting the right companies in contact with the right manufacturers to solve their part needs. Of course, we'll see you again next time in a future video. We'll see you soon.